Okay, this is a screen recording for how to make an answer sheet on Illuminate. So first you have to log into your Illuminate website. Once you're in, go ahead and click on Assessments, create a new assessment, Manual Hybrid Assessment. I'm going to create the one for kindergarten. It has 12 questions, so I'm going to type in the number of questions here. Click OK. I'm going to title it Unit 2. This is the one for Unit 2 for kindergarten. Unit 2, kindergarten, more options. Choose the subject, mathematics. K for kinder. Your performance band, I already have one created. The one that I'm going to use is ISEF 1 through 4, the one that has the rubric. And I'm going to choose save. For you guys, you might not have the one that says ISEF, so I'll show you guys a little bit later what that looks like. Go ahead and click save. Then I'm going to link all the standards to the questions. I'm going to go to none. Click on mathematics. Click on kindergarten. Search, and one of the ones that kindergarten has is CC5, so I'm going to go to the ones that have CC. I'm going to click on CC5. I see that it has CC3, and those are all the standards that are assessed in Unit 2. Link selected standards. Go back to where it says setup, answer key. Go back to the same spot where it says none, and now I'm looking at the grade K Unit 2 assessment answer key. Question number 1 has CC5, so I'm going to click 1. This one, number 2 is 3, number 3 is 5, number 4 is 3, number 5 is 5, number 6 is 3, number 7 is 5, 8 is 3, 9 is 3, 10 is 3, 11 is 5, and 12 is 3. Click on save. So this is what you have. Now I'm going to type in the answers. This is going to be C. D is the correct answer for number 2. A, B, B, C, D, A, D. Now for number 11, this is a fill-in response. So if they get it right, they get 1 point. If they get it wrong, they get 0 points. So what I'm going to do for this one, I'm going to make it as, if they get letter B would be correct. So when I fill it in, it's going to be B is correct, 1 point. Or if it's A, that means they got it incorrect. Again, for number 12, the same thing. This one is asking the kids to write the number 0 to 10. If they write all the numbers 0 through 10, they get it right. So that means I would bubble in B. If they get it wrong, I would bubble in A. Now I could go ahead and go to save and go to Sheet Designer. I notice that all my options go all the way to D. So I could change it. Instead of having A, B, C, D, E, I go to where it says 4, and now it's going to have options A through D. That'll show it right here. And that's it for this. I click on apply. Go back to, actually at this point you're actually done, but I'm going to show you guys for the performance band. You go to performance band. When you create your own, you go where it says add new performance band. This one is going to be grayed out. It's going to be none available. And this one I'm just going to put 150%. For exceeding standard, in the grade that John I gave you, if it's exceeding, it was 3.75. Well, 3.75 divided by 4, that's what I did to get this percentage. And let me put the color first. Okay, that would be 93.75%. And this would be exceeding standard. Okay, for the next one, this one has to be, the color has to be changed. This one was 2.75 divided by 4, and that gives you 68%, but I have to change the color. 68.75, and this would be meeting the standard. The next one, it was yellow, and this one was 2, or wait, this one was 1.75, and that'll be 43%, 43.75, and this would be approaching standard. And this one you could either change it to orange, I like to leave it at red, and you leave this one for at 0% or 0 points, and this one's going to be does not meet standard. Okay, you name it. Try to name it something that you guys are going to be using constantly, so whatever it might be. I'm going to put K through 5th grade and save it. The way you link it to the actual test was similar to what I did in the beginning, where it had information, or you could go to list assessment. Let's say you're working on the kindergarten one, and you go to setup, performance band, you click on this one and this one, and then you go to the one that you just created, which is K through 5, and apply. And that's it. That is the how-to video on how to make a illuminate answer sheet. Thank you guys.